Okay, here's our dirty microwave. As you can see, it looks like something blew up in it. And over on the internet, we found a recipe for a lemon and a half of water and stick it in there for about 3 minutes. And then let it sit for 5. And all of it should be coming off. So we'll see how easy it is to get off.
Now this is strictly with a paper towel,
not
and with
wet.
that lemon and water that they were talking about.
And the towel's dry too, so it's not even wet. And I'm not even in the scrubber, I'm just wiping. Wow. This is really dirty.
So as you can see, it's nothing wet on the paper towel. It's just a plain paper towel. All the liquids on the inside of the lemon juice or lemon.
They said if the hard parts of it's like kind of sticking, just to kind of dab your water into the lemon and water and do a little bit of rubbing on it, it should loosen the hard parts of it. Wow, I'm not even putting any pressure on it, I'm just slightly going over it and it's just picking it up. It's not wet anymore, is it? In the water.
And guys, we'll show you exactly how to make this recipe, what we found on the internet. As you can see, folks, this is pretty good.
Real simple.
What you're seeing, what I'm pointing at, is just this has nothing to do with residue. This is just the paint coming from the microwave because of where the table is sitting at. The turntable on it.
Wow.
Now, it's what you've seen before. Now you can sit there and look at it and see exactly how clean this microwave is. And we didn't use...
one more white down.
And we used no chemicals whatsoever to do this. And as you can see, as my wife is pulling the paper towels off, the only way that's wet is because of the lemon juice water that we heated up in the microwave. So for all the people out there that are environmentally conscious and really safe for their kids, your kids get into this stuff, all they're going to get is just a nasty taste of lemon water. Nothing you have to worry about unless they're allergic to citrus. Now you see the reason why I keep my wife around. She's so awesome. And that wasn't being chauvinistic.
That's pretty much done. It's really good.
Now folks, there might be a little bit of residue left behind because my wife didn't do a very good job on this.
Nah,
But
I can go for more white.
That's what you saw what it was before to what it is right now. You can see how well this lemon water treatment works. It's actually did a very superb job. And like I said, my wife didn't scrub very hard on it. It's really simple. And what we'll do is we'll go over exactly how it is that we make it. And see you in a second.
We did to make this clean. Okay. All we did is to make this cleaner was take a half glass of water, pour it into a little bowl, like a safe bowl. We had cut the lemon in half and put a couple little slits in it so the juice comes out a little better while it's heating up. You just throw them in there with the face down to get in the water. Put in the microwave for 3 minutes. And then after the 3 minutes is done, let it stand in for 5 minutes so the steam of from the water and the lemon get into the microwave. And as soon as it's done, you just open it up and wipe on down.
Yeah. How long do you let it steam in the microwave?
For 5 minutes.
Okay, so you actually put it, so you cut the lemon in half, you make little slits in it, like what you did. Then you take a microwavable safe dish.
Right.
Fill it up with a half cup of water. You take the lemons and you put it upside down.
Yes.
And then you stick them in the microwave for how long?
For 3 minutes.
Okay, and how long do you leave it back in there again?
5.
Awesome. Well, folks.
Well, when you're done, this is what it kind of looks like.
And this stuff, if you parents are really, or grandparents, or any family members that are really environmentally conscious, or concerned about kids getting into poisons or in soaps like this, folks, this stuff right here is just nothing but pure lemon water. That's all it is with the seeds. So the thing is, if the kids ever get into this, unless they're allergic to citrus, you have nothing to worry about. All they're going to get is a nasty taste of lemon juice in their mouth. So, very safe. Hardly anything that you had to sit there and use to be able to clean it besides a dry paper towel.
And wipe it out with that. And if you do have any spots that are a little tough to get off, you just dip a little bit in your lemon water and kind of rub it on it, and it loosens it up. And it flops right off.
Guys, how awesome is that? Give a hand to my beautiful wife. Woo! She's so awesome.
Thank you.
All I got to sit there and say is, if you guys got any more of these wonderful ideas or any internet kind of gadgets you want us to test, trust me, my beautiful wife will be more than happy to put it to the test. Folks, thank you so much. You know what? Click that subscribe button. Subscribe to this beautiful woman here. She's totally awesome. She's an awesome mom, awesome wife, and an awesome business partner.
No.
Anyway, guys, we love you. Back at you. See you on the next video.
Bye-bye.
See you. Bye-bye.